Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, it's gonna be kind of unique and also a little bit stressful, I would say, because we need to take this thing apart and see how much stuff we need to order and how much it's gonna cost. So make sure you stay tuned, and we're gonna go and show you guys around what it takes to take all of this apart and see how much we have to spend in this car with the parts. Let's jump right in the video. And as you can see, for the screws, honestly, like nothing too crazy. It's kind of like a star, so you can get these screwdrivers at AutoZone or maybe O'Reilly, but fairly simple so far. I mean, honestly, it doesn't look bad at all. My only concern is this radiator. Maybe this might be bent. I'm not sure, but we'll figure something out once we remove the bumper and this fender right here. But I think we should remove this too. And check this out. It's looking good so far. But honestly, as you can see, the damage doesn't seem so bad, at least for now, but we have to remove a bunch of stuff to really see if it has any frame damage. But so far it's looking pretty good. It has a bunch of screws right here. And I think it's gonna be a bunch of them somewhere here. Just gonna be a little bit of pain to unscrew those. We have to remove the door as well, because what drove me crazy is, like, look what they have done at the copart. Alright, as you can see, they're like, these connectors are wrapped with this type of plastic, and it's just so hard to take them up. Oh, it's out. A lot of work. As you can see, this is the airbag, so I have to remove this guy and buy a new one because this is useless now. And finally it's out. We took like an hour to take this thing out, but it's finally here. So this is the guy who needs to be replaced. Here's the thing, I don't know if this is salvageable or not, but it's, as you can see, it's some type of metal, this one, and it broke right here, so I am gonna go check it out if I can save this guy, because only this panel, if I'll be lucky to find it, it's around 800 bucks. So all it needs to be on is just replace it, replace the leather, this side right here, which is kind of connecting pretty good, so I think it's totally solvable as long as we change this leather on top. So I'm gonna go check it out to a friend of mine, and we might be able to save this part. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. Alright everyone, we have managed to take this thing apart, and honestly it doesn't look bad at all. There is no frame damage, which I'll show you guys right in a moment. But we came to a conclusion pretty much where we need to have this thing at least move, which is this upper control arm seems to be okay. This was disconnected from this, so we managed to put it in, and it's staying there. We tried to put it, seems strong. I still don't feel 100%, but we'll see how it behaves, because this thing is about $1,000 to be honest. And also, as you can see, the lower control arm, it's bent right here, both sides, and right here this is broken from the compact. So definitely we need to buy this one. And also, as you can see, this car has carbon ceramic brakes, and also the hub, it's broken in half. So both these two parts, believe it or not, buying it from Ferrari dealer, they're around $6,000 to $7,000, just these two parts, which is kind of crazy to be honest. The brake caliper seems to be okay. This lure pipeline, I don't know, for the brake fluid, I'm sure it's bent, so we might have to change that, no big deal. The radiator, it's twisted, it doesn't have any leaks, so I'm not sure if I'm going to replace this. I saw one on eBay for around 550 plus shipping, probably around 600 bucks, but still with some damage. So considering this just slightly bent and for no leaks, I think we might end up keeping this thing. So basically what we need, I have it right here, we need the lower control arm, the hub, the disc brake, which is carbon ceramic for the front and the back. We need the front bumper. This was bent, but we managed to fix it. We definitely need this guy right here, and that's about it. And also fix the damages right here on the door where they did damage on the left panel right here and on the door. But other than that, and also we need the door panel to be fixed, because I think it's really expensive as well, and the left door airbag from the car. Other than that, we don't need anything else to kind of start putting this thing together, even though this car when we buy was missing the engine cover, and that thing it's really expensive to be honest. But the main concern is to get this thing together right here, because when we took this side panel right here, honestly, the fender, wherever you want to call it, was really a pain to get this thing out. So many hidden screws right here, but which we'll show you guys in the next video how we're going to put it on. But so far these are the things we need to have this car at least moving, and definitely we're still missing a few things to order. But the crazy thing is, to order anything from Ferrari dealership, it's honestly crazy. You almost can buy another Ferrari by ordering just parts from them, but we're not going to buy them parts from them. But stay tuned and I'll show you guys where I'm going to source all the parts and the progress we're going to be doing with this Ferrari California T. Alright, anyway, I'm not going to delete the very first video when we purchased this thing at Copart, because just for a copyright music, I'm going to keep it that as a memory, at least for myself. But if you'd like to check it out, feel free. I took a huge challenge with this Ferrari California T. Honestly, I never worked in a Ferrari, so make sure you stay tuned for the next video, because I'm going to show you guys every single thing, what it cost and what we have invested so far in this car. But this is how it looks. It seems to be honestly crazy, but stay tuned for the next video, because we're gonna have a major progress with everything on the next video. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.